Welcome to today's video. Breastfeeding is a journey full of questions, and with so much information out there, it's easy to come across myths that can confuse new moms. Today, we'll hear from a celebrity mom who's here to debunk some of the most common breastfeeding myths and share expert tips to support you on your journey. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to build confidence as a breastfeeding mom. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other moms who might benefit from these insights. Let's start with the first myth. Myth: breastfeeding comes naturally to everyone. Reality: while breastfeeding is natural, it's a skill that often takes time, practice, and support to master. Even experienced moms can face challenges. Tip: don't hesitate to seek help from a lactation consultant or join a support group. Pro tip: every mom's journey is unique. Embrace the process and be patient with yourself. Share in the comments what helped you learn to breastfeed. Myth: you can't breastfeed if you have a small milk supply. Reality: milk supply can be improved with frequent nursing or pumping and proper hydration. Tip: watch for hunger cues and nurse on demand to stimulate milk production. Pro tip: skin-to-skin contact can also help increase supply. Let me know in the comments what tips you've tried to boost milk production. Myth: formula is just as good as breast milk. Reality: while formula is a safe and nutritious alternative, breast milk provides unique antibodies and nutrients tailored to your baby's needs. Tip: if you choose to use both, focus on what works best for you and your baby. Pro tip: combination feeding is a great option for many families. Share in the comments if this has worked for you. Myth: breastfeeding always hurts. Reality: pain during breastfeeding is often a sign of an improper latch or other issues that can be corrected. Tip: experiment with different positions and seek help to ensure a proper latch. Pro tip: nipple creams and warm compresses can provide relief while you address the issue. Let me know your favorite remedies in the comments. Myth: you have to stop breastfeeding when you go back to work. Reality: many moms successfully continue breastfeeding while working by pumping and storing milk. Tip: invest in a good breast pump and create a pumping schedule that aligns with your work breaks. Pro tip: check if your workplace offers a lactation room or support for breastfeeding moms. Share in the comments how you've managed breastfeeding and work. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Build your confidence by celebrating small wins, whether it's mastering a latch or getting through a challenging day. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you and remind you of the incredible work you're doing. Thank you for watching this myth-busting guide to breastfeeding. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and every step you take is a testament to your strength and dedication. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. Share your favorite breastfeeding tips or myths you've encountered in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.